I did a little more investigating on the vacuum cleaner. I still think it's aluminum, and I think I figured out why this turns blackish when you sand it. I think this white stuff is oxidized chrome or nickel plating, whichever this was. Because, see, it used to be shiny like that. And when you sand that off with the sandpaper here, I'll show you. See, here's just the white, the kind of oxidized white color. See, it turns black, and it's. See, but if you sand up here, that's just like dirty. It stays the kind of metally color. So I guess I am going to get out the electric sander and buzz this down, unless someone tells me not to. I haven't put any current to the motor, and nor have I even tested any electrical stuff. But I did discover this. This is the information plate. I thought I would take it off and see what was under it, because the plate was too worn down to see the model. So I flipped it over. Look what there is. Now, this is a AC or DC, which I found weird, and it says Cleveland 0. Ball bearing motor, no oiling required. Now I'm going to try to read the model. It has a 9-1117. And then there's a pretty big space, so I bet there's a number I can't read there. And, but yeah. So I'm going to take this upstairs and start punching stuff in on the computer and see if I can figure out exactly what this thing used to be. It's pretty stiff, but I would love it if I can get the motor working, or try to restore it, because, I mean, it would be... I've heard these things are twice as good as today's cheap plastic crap. I guess the biggest thing would be getting it replated with nickel, or I'd probably do chrome. So yeah, I guess that's the next discovery, so I'll go post this video, and yeah. Oh, and by the way, for those of you who watched the original barn find video, the thing works now, by the way. More or less. For better or for worse, till death it does. Yeah, anyway. Let me try to plug it back up. Stupid cord. Alright, see, plugged in. The switch now works. Now, the switch is a bit sticky, so sometimes you have to mess with it, but it works now. It still has a pretty bad burny smell, so I'm not sure what that's about. It's like that burning electric smell. Trying to get the cord out one-handed is harder than you think it is. Yeah, there we go. But anyway, my grandmother thinks this is a milkshake mixer, so I don't know. And then I also have the radios, but this is really what I'm focusing on. And then I know I've lost the information plate. Oh well, I'll have to find that. So any vacuum cleaner experts, please contact me. I have a YouTube channel, obviously. And I also found the car radios. I haven't really looked into them yet. Not bad for a haunted house.